Rock, paper, draw.
Are you ready to draw Pikachu and his Thunderbolt tail with me? Let's go! I'm going to start by using black marker and drawing the outline of Pikachu's ears and head. And here is his Thunderbolt tail. Now for his feet and arms. Here is Pikachu's smile. And now for the Pokeball. I will put Pikachu on top of the Pokeball. Pikachu always likes to be by Ash's side and not in the ball. Now for the outline of the black stripe and the button. Here are Pikachu's cheeks and eyes. And now for some coloring in. That's the outline done. On to painting Pikachu and his Thunderbolt tail. I am using a yellow color for the fur. First I will paint the ear, head, and Thunderbolt tail. Now for the arms, legs, body, and feet. Now I will paint the Pokeball. I am using a red color for the Pokeball. And now for Pikachu's cheeks. Have you ever seen the electricity that comes out of Pikachu's cheeks? I like his electric powers. I will finish with the red color on his tongue. And that's it. I'm all finished. I wonder what adventures Pikachu and Ash will get up to today. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and get in touch by commenting with what drawings you would like to see me do. Thanks for watching.